today's video, we went up and down from the samples to the production and to everything, like to the fabrics, and then wow, I'm just gonna say like wow, it's just blow my mind, and
yeah, a lot of ideas, right?
Just blow my mind right now.
Okay, let's go.
This is generally the place where you guys come to get the fabrics if a client needs some particular product, and then they give you maybe an idea of what they want. You guys come here, collect the material and then everything, and then make the clothes with that.
Yeah, because we have professional sourcing team and they know different kinds of fabrics, so they will source here every day.
So we're just free to talk. So actually, you can see the samples. So mostly is for streetwear, t-shirts, and hoodie and pullover. So this is like high density and high thickness. So 460, and normally the other brand they may use like 300 to 400. So this one is thick and heavy. So when you feel the fabric, they are different. And also this is French terry. You just do a small brush on the back. This fabric, you can feel this one is much more heavier. This one is much more heavier. It is like 260. You know Alexander Wang. Alexander Wang, we use this kind of fabric. Double yong means we use two yong to produce. So the density is higher. And vintage wash is. I
like this fabric.
You like this fabric? Yeah.
Okay, if for example, like somebody like me, you know, I'm an amateur, I just want to do my brand, but I have a big dream, but I don't know nothing about the production, I don't know nothing about the material, I don't know nothing about all of that. I just come to you guys, the professionals, and then what the recommendation are you going to give me, like for starting from the fabrics and to the design and everything, like just from the fabrics?
Yeah, we will know more about your background and your budget. This is very important. So when if you are a new brand and you want to have a affordable material, so I don't stress you use that one. 460 is much more expensive. If you make 30 pieces, the price will go up more than 35 US dollar. It's very expensive, and also. When we go into the real products, we need to know better about your design. If you just have an idea, then you need to go into the design service. And also accessories. We actually have some idea to discuss together to get which kind of fabric fit to his budget. This is very important. So when we choose the fabric, we not just create the selling point and also control the budget in this project at the beginning, from the design, from the fabric sourcing and accessory sourcing and production way to control. So you can get this shoe.
I will go with this fabric, and then probably with the
black color,
the black color, and then this
gray,
and
light gray,
this color.
Yeah, pretty cool. I think it really helped the designers who want to grow their business.
Because when you see places like this, you got more inspired, you know, just to have the feeling of knowing and how you're gonna do it. And for example, like I said, like for people who have no experience but want to do it, for people who have experience and who don't know like how to go through it. So it's a very good thing. So right now we're in this place, and then we can touch anything like we can think of right now. And
you can get more inspiration.
This
way. Let's check it out. Let's check it out here. We coordinate here together to get new fabric. Organic cotton, recycled cotton will have the certificate.
So all the fabrics here are just organics, right?
Yes. Have certificates, so I can show you. Recycle. So you can check here. Recycle. It is special. You can feel first. Feel the fabric. Yeah. Different. So this is the way we create the selling point. When you touch the fabric, you know the difference. And this one is also heavy. This one is also heavy. Yeah. Because when we make the fabric, we actually do one more treatment on the surface, and you can feel a really little big layer, velvet layer on the surface. So it is different. Yeah. So we also source some fabric here.
I can choose one fabric, like for example, I want to make like a denim jacket, right? But I want this to come with my own design. For example, you know, this one, it looks like a bit like a...
leopard.
Yeah, but maybe I want to design something a bit different, but I like this kind of fabric. Like, can they customize it for me?
we can custom for you. We normally source the base fabric, and then we can do laser and we can do printing. So it depends on your request.
Okay.
So sometimes you might have some minimal order quantity according to the fabric.
Yeah.
But it is okay to custom for you.
So if I come here and then I get one of, is this one, right?
Yeah, this one.
I get one of these fabrics, right? And then I want to go for maybe some pullovers or some shirts with this kind of fabric, right?
Yes.
Because she advised me to get here, and then I'm on a low budget, right?
Yeah.
How much would that cost to use this?
Low budget means how many pieces?
Like maximum 100.
Maximum 100.
Yeah.
I can control like 16 to 20.
Yeah.
Yeah.
That's one would be good.
Because
Then.
our price is based on our raw materials and our fabric is based on so it's very reasonable, and we want to looking for the long-term partnership. Yes.
Yeah.
It's very huge. So
Yeah. And special. You can use the reverse side to be the front side for a design.
Vice versa.
Yeah. For example, you can use the sleeve to be this side and the body this side.
Oh, right.
And the crochet design is really nice. I like the texture.
Yeah,
But
this one is
with
good for summer.
it's more like a sprinter kind
Yes,
of.
benders make you feel more comfortable.
Yeah.
Flexible.
This one also not bad. Though.
Yeah, because we have our designers, so all the sample within the.
This one is kind of close to Balenciaga fabric.
Yeah.
Yeah, this one.
Not bad though.
Okay, then let's go. This is the base accessory. You can go a lot of accessory chains. So it is on the underfloor, and we can go to check more like labels and logo bands. You can make your logos, and you know Villano checks you. They just put their logo here.
Yeah.
And really nice.
The boxes and the, So all the production come with everything, or all this I have to design it outside.
You need to tell us which part you need. If you need to get package, then you need to pay the cost for package. If you need to get boxes, then the boxes, the minimum order quantity is more than 5,000. Yeah. So and the shipping is really high. Yeah.
Because it looks more like it looks more professional, more elegant when you have all the package coming together in a box and everything. So it gives more value to the product, just the fact of opening the product and seeing it like that.
Yes.
So I guess also it should be included.
Got to say goodbye. See you next time.